Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about Vivo V20 as a phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off your app notifications in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off your app notification in Vivo phone, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off it in Vivo phone. So first of all guys, come in your phone setting app, click here, then guys scroll it and guys click on guys app notifications. So guys click here and guys click on notifications, click on guys this see all and guys all apps. So which app notification guys you want to off, guys you can off from this right side. Guys click here like browser guys, Play Store, like guys is Google Files, YouTube, Chrome, guys Google, Instagram. So which app guys you want to off your notifications, so guys you can off from this setting in your Vivo V20 SE phone guys. So you can off this right side option guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.